Monzo Current Account has finally arrived. Let's open this and see. Hey guys, what's happening? What's going on? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. I am super excited to share with you something today which is in this envelope, and I can't wait. If you've been subscribed to this channel, you would have known I'm a Monzo user, and if you don't know what Monzo is, go to Google what Monzo is. But hopefully if you're watching this, you know what Monzo is, and maybe some of you guys have watched my Monzo videos before. A lot's changed with Monzo and their current account. I remember before I had a prepaid card, and now it's a current account, and I'm still pleased I'm still using them. Before I dive into what's in here, this video is not sponsored by Monzo, it's not paid by Monzo. I have done some work for them in the past, which has been super great. If you are new around here and you don't know what I do, I'm going to leave a playlist up here about some freelance videos around London. I'm basically a freelance creative in London. I make YouTube videos, I do photo, I do video, I do a lot of creative things. And being a creative and being a freelancer, I'm self-employed, I need to have a business account. And for the past couple of years, I've been using I guess a household name of banks in the UK. I won't mention who they are. And I actually have been looking at other banks similar to Monzo. There's a lot of different ones out there, which I won't name them because, well, I've nothing against them. I've just done some research and they do look pretty good. I know a few people that use them. So for a moment I did think, should I swap my bank from like a household name, like a high street bank, and try one of these new online banks. There's been loads of ads in London about them. I'm sure if you live in London, you know what I'm talking about. I was gonna hold off. Monzo were about to launch the business account, and I thought, I love Monzo, I love what they do, I love my current account, and I really enjoy all the little perks from the current account, and they're actually adding more and more, and I keep getting emails about updates and things. I'm like, oh, this is super exciting. So Monzo Current Account has finally arrived. Let's open this and see. When I first got my Monzo Current Account, I was so happy, and this hopefully will be another game-changing moment in my career. Monzo Business. Bear in mind, this is kind of similar how they actually released the first like prepaid cards and then the current accounts. I was on a waiting list. I think I was on a waiting list for a couple of months, and they slowly introduced other businesses into it. So I think they had a selection process. I'm not really sure, but I got a notification on my app saying you've like reached the top of the waiting list. Please sign up and enter some details. And I actually did that yesterday, and this arrived today, which is super fast. Welcome to your Monzo Business Account. All you need to do is activate your card within the app and you're all good to go. I'm not sure if the detailing will come through, but it says Monzo Business on it, and it's like this really cool silver card. Remember guys, do not post pictures of your card online. I'm actually going to flip a picture up of what the card looks like on the website. It gives you a better graphic experience, and this is pretty much exactly what I thought it would be. Okay, before I tell you why I think I'm going to like this card and how it might help you and how it's going to save me time, I'm going to quickly open the app here and see how quick and easy it is to activate this. So it just says to open your app to activate it. Oh, so it's all within the same app, and you just click activate my card, and then what I'm going to do is take a photo of my card in front of me and automatically scans the 16-digit number. Card is activated. That was so easy. Okay, this is not much different to the current account stuff. But let's not dive too much into it because it's still in the early stages and they're like refining quite a lot of things. What I think will be really great about Monzo Business is something they already have in the Monzo Current app, like the chat feature. So if you need help, you can type in on chat and then you get replies quite quickly. Free agent and zero. I'm sure if you have a business or you're looking to start a business, bookkeeping is key, and if there's an integration that's seamless between Monzo and Free Agent or Zero, then it'll be so much easier to categorize your spending and to like things for tax and VAT, taking photos of receipts. So as soon as you pay for something, if it pops up straight on your phone, you can instantly take a receipt of what you have there and then not have to worry about keeping receipts all the time. Using pots to save money. So previously, I've always had two accounts. One's like a business saving and one's like a business current. Whatever you've calculated that you'll have to pay at different points of the year for your business, or like tax returns, all these things. and I usually set aside money for that. And with the knowledge I know from having a current account, putting stuff in pots would be super easy for that. I can just store it away and forget about it. Instant features, instant bank transfers, instant direct debits, instant notifications, those stuff, the small things really matter. If you need to send someone money, if you need to do anything, it just goes ASAP. Whereas some banks take like 2 or 3 days for it to process. There's also contactless, Apple Pay, Google Pay, but you know what, I'd be surprised if a card coming out these days that doesn't have any of them, because let's be honest, we all probably use Apple Pay or Google Pay and contactless rather than chip and pin, unless we really have to. Things that are going to come up in the pipeline, which I've seen on the website, which hasn't been implemented yet, but these features could be really good and game-changing. Help with taxes, putting money aside so that you know how much you need to pay to HMRC, and maybe at one point they'll actually pay that for you. International payment, you can pay and also get paid from suppliers or customers all around the world within the app. Organized expenses. Expenses probably one of the hardest things for most businesses, self-employed people to keep a track on in terms of receipts. So be able to mark them on your account as expenses straight away, and having the opportunity to categorize things will be hopefully a lot easier and a lot less time consuming. And I guess there's loads of other things in the pipeline. You know what, I thought there'd be more things in this envelope and more things in the app, but I guess it's still early stages. Anyways, I'm gonna end my video here. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. But yeah, comment down below. I wanna know what you think of Monzo Business, what you think of these other companies that are doing similar things. Do you think it'll be better? Do you think it'll be worse? Do you know of any other features that I might not know of yet? I'm super intrigued to see what you think, because we all do things differently, and it's always nice to hear what other people do that you might not do, and like take little bits from what everyone's doing. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe down below for more videos like this. I'll give you an update, maybe 6 months, maybe 1 year, and see how things are going. Anyways, as per usual, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'll see you then.